everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join premium on hi5. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. Select the gear icon. Tap on the premium subscription option, which is under account. Select any one of the options and then tap on continue button at the bottom of your screen. Complete your payment and you'll be able to join premium on hi5. And this is how you can join premium on hi5. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.